The average channel in the YouTube Partner Program can make anywhere between $1 and $30 per 1,000 views. But throughout running channels myself, I've noticed that most channels only make about $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. And the amount a channel makes per 1,000 views is known as RPM. And I'm gonna be using the terms RPM and CPM interchangeably in this video. I mean the same thing. How much money a channel makes per 1,000 views. Now, the difference between YouTube becoming a full-time career and being a petty side hustle is knowing how to get closer to that $30 RPM as opposed to that $1 one. Now, I learned this 10 years ago, and this has allowed me to scale to running over 12 different YouTube channels, get over 500 million views on YouTube, and make over $1 million per year in the process. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the amount that you make per 1,000 views so you can potentially quit your 9-to-5 job, and I'm going to reveal to you the 5 best niches for doing YouTube to make the most amount of money. And if you make it to the end, I'm gonna show you how I make over $200 per 1,000 views. I know that might sound crazy, but it's actually true. I'm gonna reveal that secret to you at the end. Make sure to grab a pen and paper because this information could potentially be life-changing. Now, before you can make a cent from YouTube, you need to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. The requirements for the Partner Program are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And this is how you can check if you're on track for the YouTube Partner Program. If you go to your YouTube channel dashboard right here, go to the left-hand side and go down to this Earn button right here, then if you just scroll down, you can see how close you are to meeting these eligibility requirements. As you can see on this channel, we have 1,500 subscribers, so we met that 1K subscriber requirement, but we only have 1,900 hours of public watch time, and we need 4,000 to get monetized. Now, if you're not even close to this, do not worry at all. Make sure to watch my video about how to get monetized on YouTube in just 27 days. That video will show you exactly how to do it, break everything down. I'm gonna put it down in the description of this video. You can watch that later. But right now, it's important to understand that once your channel is monetized, we need to see why are some channels making more money per 1,000 views than other channels. Every single video that's eligible for advertisements goes through the same exact process. First and foremost, we have the advertiser. This could be Apple, Microsoft, or literally any company out there. And those companies have a budget that they allocate towards spending on YouTube ads. And the reason they do this is to make a profit. I know this might sound basic, but it's important to understand this. So how do they do this? They dump their money into channels that have an audience that will be interested in their product or service. Let's play a game here for a second. Which channel would Apple be more likely to spend their advertising budget on? This channel that produces scary videos for people who enjoy horror stories? Or this channel that produces videos about the latest technological trends? If you chose the second channel, you're on the right track. You should have no problem at all following along with what I'm going to reveal the 5 best niches to be. We know the how, we know the why, now we just need to know the what. We got personal finance with channels like Chris Invest right here, which is a completely faceless YouTube channel, and they make whiteboard videos which can easily be made with AI whiteboard software like VideoScribe. We got Make Money Online channels like the channel you're watching right now, Make Money Matt, and I can tell you from experience that channels within the Make Money Online niche can make upwards of $30 per 1,000 views. I know it sounds crazy, but they can. We got the health niche with channels like Body Hub right here, which produces faceless videos which could easily be put together using stock footage from places like Storyblocks and edited together with a free program like CapCut. We got the technology niche with channels like TechZone, which is a completely faceless YouTube channel that gets tons of views. And we got the travel niche with channels like Scary Harry right here. They simply produce videos about the best places to live on a certain amounts of money, and since they talk about money, they're also going to benefit from those money keywords, which will drive up their CPMs even more.